Hello, my name is Thalia MK and welcome to Fluxx Events and Fluxx Talks. We have today a gorgeous and very smart leader, that is Dr. Sonia Bendjaffer-Yousef. She is a naturopathic doctor specialized in anti-cancer therapy, founder and CEO for Wonder Muslim Woman. She was awarded yesterday as well at the conference, and you have the book as well. There's so many things. Please tell us a little bit about the book.
Okay, excellent. So thank you for having me here today. First of all, I'd like really to thank the Fluxx team, which is really an amazing team. I was delighted to be part of this amazing event.
Thank you so much.
I highly recommend it, really. So effectively, I'm Dr. Bendjaffer-Yousef. I'm a naturopathic doctor, actually specialized in anti-cancer therapies. But I created Wonder Muslim Woman, which is a platform for Muslim women. And I give health advice and I give spiritual advice. So it's really targeted for Muslim women. I have effectively, as you perfectly mentioned, wrote a book called Secrets to Infinite Life Force, the ultimate guide to wellness, to optimal wellness. And I have created an application, WMW Wellness App. And also, I'm the creator of the Meant to Thrive program, which is a 7-week program actually that really combines mind, body, and soul. Every day during 52 days, I give an advice and there is a practice, and it's really a step-by-step guide where at the end you feel thriving actually.
How you have this energy to do all of that, first of all. Secondly, what was the inspiration? Why to help in this the specific field?
So for the inspiration, let's start with the positive. Actually, I wanted to share my knowledge, and actually, I walk the talk. Actually, this energy comes from the way I'm living, the way I'm exercising, the way I'm eating, nutrition, and also the way I take care of the spirituality. Because nowadays, you know that spirituality is so important. This dark world.
Why do you think people believe if you're spiritual? It doesn't mean, I'm not going to say the word religious because that's the confusion. I'm not talking about which God is right or wrong. I'm saying, why is it considered old school or I would say not cool, and taken like really a step back when you're dealing with a person once they know that this person is religious or spiritual? Why isn't in a positive light?
Actually, I think it used to be like that a few years ago, but for what I'm seeing right now, I do believe that people are more and more coming actually to spirituality, because I think they have no choice. I mean, look at the world in 2025 we're living in. I mean, except beautiful places like India and Asia. I mean, the world is getting completely crazy everywhere.
It is.
So the only solution, I believe, is really having a faith, having and believing, as you mentioned. As long as you believe in one creator, whoever it is, it's very important actually to believe to a creator and to have the spiritual
connection,
the divine connection. It's so important because it's inner peace. And when you have inner peace, I mean, everything then shines out, you know, not only for yourself, but at a frequency level, you really shines and give light to everyone near you. So that's beautiful.
And you do, though you're so radiant. Once you come in, it's not only the beautiful face, it's the energy of yours. It is so calming that I would want to learn from you. I would want to understand what you're trying to offer.
Thank you so much.
As you're the doctor for anti-cancer therapy, can you describe a little bit about it, what it is?
So I've been working for the past 15 years as specialized in anti-cancer therapies. Now I'm more focusing on my program, Meant to Thrive, that we have like a platform with many Muslim women. But what I used to do is really working in clinics in Germany and Switzerland, and we are having many patients all over the world actually that have different stage of cancer, and we're trying to help them and to add actually many technical medical. I mean, we have IV intravenous, we have mistletoe therapies, we have EMF, we have hyperthermia. I mean, I'm not going to.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah, because most of the people wouldn't know what it is exactly.
Anyway, but you have to know that cancer therapies, I mean, have been known for like decades or even more.
Yeah.
So it's very, very important that people know that there is indeed hope.
Yeah, because once you hear this word, it's like no hope. That's the end.
That's the end, exactly. And what I really don't like is that when people get a prognostic of cancer, they're really rushed to chemotherapy. It's like, oh, it's an emergency. If we don't do it right now, you're going to die tomorrow.
Yes.
Which is not true at all.
Yes,
I mean, this cancer, people have to know that this cancer took like 10 years, 10 years to develop. So it's not going to develop in 1 second at all.
How can you prevent? You would never know the signs. You would never know. Maybe your lifestyle is bad or whatever. How would you know? How can you prevent the cancer symptoms, or even if it happens or before it happens?
So I'm not going to go through a biological course, but in order for your audience to understand, everything is frequency.
Okay.
I mean, we just discovered, I mean, Bruce Lipton, who's the best in quantum physics and epigenetic, he just did a research, and actually, and specifically for cancer, he just realized and confirmed as an epigenetic scientist and quantum physics scientist that actually the cancer is not about the molecule itself, but it's about actually the environment and the frequency in the environment. It's because the cell is in a very bad and unstable actually frequency environment that the cells develop and becomes actually a cancer cell.
But sometimes you can't help it because the people around you or the environment you have, you just can't help it. You are born in it. How do you deal with that? Like what a person can do to just overcome that step?
Well, for me, spirituality is key.
Yeah.
I mean, once again, whoever you believe in, I mean, when you know that you're part of something bigger than you, and that it's divine, and that miracles can happen, and I witnessed personally, and especially in the cancer field, miracles, you know, people who, the allopathic medicine that told them, oh, you only have 3 months to live, it's 30 years now, or even more, and actually, divine and spirituality is very important. Once again, it's inner peace.
Yeah.
I mean, we have in the Quran a surah that says actually change yourself before, so your world will change.
Yes.
For me, we always have to start inner.
People started talking about manifestation now, but it was already written and told to us that your energy frequency, the world listens to it. That's a really nice, because now manifestation is like an it word. Everybody wants to manifest and repeat the words. You cannot just repeat the words. You have to believe it. You have to live on it, that you accept it. What has been the challenges for you? You wouldn't meet everybody woman or that wants to have of course, everyone wants to have a healthy life, but they're not that disciplined. They don't have that energy. They're just lazy. They don't want to. They want a quick way. So some people go for Ozempic and medicines like that. How can you deal with those challenges of those patients?
Just one point. Did you mention Ozempic?
Ozempic.
Okay. So a big award, a big sign for Ozempic. You know that it kills people.
Yes.
So please do not use it anymore.
No, I'm just saying people are taking easy way out, right? So how do you deal? What would be the advice, or how would you deal with that kind of a patient who is like, you know what, I can use this and I can be better? How do you deal with such difficult patients?
Actually, I'm asking them to do my program. It's a 52 days where I take their hands day by day, and I explain what to do, and I follow them, and there's accountability, and there is following, because they cannot do it by themselves. That's for sure. You need, when you're at the stage of mindset, you know, you need to have someone taking your hand. You need someone to understand you. You need someone to talk to, because we may be on an AI, like nowadays it's AI time, but we still need like
human touch, human connection, empathy.
Empathy, that's the word. It's excellent because this word is getting more and more without empathy. And we need empathy. We need people who understand us, and we need people who take our hand and say, stay calm. Okay. Everything is going to be all right.
We need that. It doesn't matter your age, gender, or whatever. Correct. Sometimes you just feel so chaotic inside and you don't know how to react. You need somebody to say, you know what? It'll pass. It's okay. It's going to be fine.
Exactly.
It's a lot of energy to give out.
Correct.
And it's a lot of work and effort. First of all, thank you for that. But how do you maintain your, beside the spirituality, how do you maintain that energy within yourself to give out that much?
Quite honestly, first of all, what is most important for me is my prayers. As Muslims, we do have 5 prayers a day.
Yes.
It helps me a lot. It's like, yoga for other people, but it's like mindfulness.
Yes.
It's like, like being on direct connection with the Creator.
Yes.
5 times a day, it really calms you.
Yes.
Whatever is the chaos around you, you're like, it's my time.
Yes.
I'm with the Creator, and I don't want to think about anything. This already really is a big part of it. And of course, on the biochemical level, it's so important, nutrition, what you eat, what you drink, the kind of water you drink, the kind of food you eat. Because, inflammatory food is what 80% of the whole world is eating, like junk food, fried food, and fried, as I mentioned in the Fire Show talk yesterday, fried foods are the most toxic to the cells, actually. It gives wrinkle, it really ages the body. So if you eat like very fresh fruit, fresh vegetable, you drink a lot, you do like breathing exercises like I teach in my program, and you take care of yourself, and you love yourself, you respect yourself first in order to be able to love people and to respect other people. I mean, it always starts with you. And that's the way you reach inner peace, actually.
Thank you so much for your time. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
As she said, and I always say, you have to be kind, not only to yourself, but to the people around you, to others around you. And to have a spirituality connection will 100% make your life better. It doesn't matter that what you believe in, but you have to believe in something higher and bigger than you. Just have a look around, have a look at the stars. There has to be somebody to make it. So why bother and why worry about the tensions? It's all gonna be all right. So dream big, dare to dream big, and have faith in yourself, in God, or in the spiritual miracles. And on that note, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our Fluxx Talks by Fluxx Events. And this is Talia MK signing off.